Hello everybody, welcome once again. Here is Rajesh YouTube channel. So as we have previously studying the why do we fall AIDS and the different types of disease that was causative agents and non-causative agents of we have to differentiate both of them so that we can recognize it easily and save our body and the surroundings and other animals also, and by means of the recognizing we will categorize is a useful and harmful effect and beneficial, that is beneficial, and also activities, beneficial activities, that is useful, usable for the human beings and human welfare. So we here is there's a lot of such a process by means of we can discuss about the infectious and non-infectious disease. First of all, so we will try to define infectious disease, and then after that it's a causative agents. Causative agents is what is causative agents, and what is the role of bacteria virus, and what and which types of medicines can be used for the bacteria and virus and protozoa, fungi, and microscopic organisms, and unicellular some multiple cellular organisms, which is a causative agent, non-causative agents, and what is the role of antibiotic. The terms that we have to describe here. First, we will write here the infectious disease. Infectious disease. Okay. Infectious disease. Infectious disease. So, what is infectious disease? First of all, it's infectious disease it is caused by the some biological agent. Okay. Those disease which is caused by the biological agent, or we can say it's a pathogens. Biological agents are pathogens. These are the biological agents or pathogens are called said to be the infectious disease. Are said infectious disease. Then infectious disease. If we are talking about the example, we will take the example instead of we will describe here the examples. These infectious disease examples: bacteria, virus, protozoans. These are the unicellular organisms, bacteria, virus, PPLO, pneumonia like organisms, PPLO, pneumonia like organisms. These are also pathogens, and pathogens, pneumonia like organisms, fungi. Fungi, we know that it is also unicellular, multicellular plant associated with the plants. So fungi are such as the plants which also give the act as a pathogens, and also create a problems and also useful. Fungi is also useful for infection, both point of view, but we are studying infections that causing the disease. They spread by means of they are spread by means they all spread by means of air, flowing airs, water, waters, soil, and physical contacts. And also we can say that physical contact, after physical contact it can also the physical contact, and also some insect is also involved here. Insects that act as a spreading agent. So spreading agent. So we will talking about the infectious agent. What is infectious agent? Infectious agent. So, what is infectious agent? So, we will discuss about the infectious agents, unicellular, multicellular organisms that cause infections. Unicellular or multicellular organism that cause unicellular, multicellular that cause infections called infectious agent. Infections agent. These are said to be the infectious agents. Okay. Are pathogens, we can say it's are pathogens. Okay, pathogens. Example, if we take the examples of infectious agents as we have had written here the above, the bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoans, bacteria, virus, fungi, protozoans, and also we can say insects. Some insects are also responsible for the infection, so it's act as an infectious agents. So here is the infectious agents. Now we will discuss about the antibiotics. What is antibiotics? Now, what is antibiotics? We will discuss here about the antibiotics and its role in our lives. So, antibiotics and its role in our lives we have to study here. So, we will try to understand that antibiotics and its role. So antibiotics. What is antibiotics? As we know that chemical substances produced by the microorganisms. Okay, chemical substance produced by the microorganism called antibiotics. Okay, these are called antibiotics by the microorganisms called antibiotics. Especially they are produced from especially from bacteria and fungi. Okay, bacteria, fungi are main things, have ability to inhibit the growth of the other microorganisms. Okay, have ability to inhibit the growth of microorganisms. Inhibits, and also sometimes it's a case it inhibits the microorganisms and block the biological pathway and block the biological pathway, blocked by the biological pathway. Okay, example, we can suppose that we are taking this example. Some examples here. So the first is by antibiotics that was produced here is penicillin. Suppose that we are taking penicillin. It is produced by the Penicillium notatum. Penicillium notatum. Okay. First antibiotic that was generated penicillium notatums, and Edward Jenner also produces antibiotics, and the Edward Jenner also produces antibiotics. These are antibiotics and different types of antibiotics also here, and that act not only one antibiotic does not perform and have an effect on only one types of the bacteria. There are a lot of antibiotics available here that perform the many functions. So antibiotics are the penicillins that block the cell wall formation. Block the cell wall formation. So cell wall does not form. That is why the bacteria does not survive. It's and can be dead. Okay, these are the some features we have done here, sir. So that's you can understand it well, and understand it well, and here we have given you, so that's with the help of example written things to understood it well versed way, and can consider that what is the role of the pathogens, and how does the pathogens are work on on those any cells or organisms, and responsible for the productions of the harmful aspect or useful aspect beneficial, that is said to be the beneficial aspect. Okay, thank you, bye bye.